Hello everyone. Welcome to English O10 classes. Legal dictation, exercise 23. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Halley came crashing down from 295 in 1977 to 31, of which the Janasangh component was just 18 stroke. In the 1984 polls, which were held after the assassination of Srimati Indira Gandhi, the BJP could win only two seats in the whole country. So we did not lose heart in 1980 and 1984. So therefore, where is the question of the BJP becoming despondent today when we have 116 MPs in the Lok Sabha stroke, and like in the 14th Lok Sabha, when the left was on the one hand a proactive partner in government but not being accountable or answerable for failures of government. Most of the time they could play the role of the opposition also. So the first came to parliament in 1970 as a member of the Rajya Sabha. So that was a time when Marxist members used to exude immense confidence. So some of them even used to echo the boast of British imperialists that a day would certainly come when the sun shall not set on the Marxist empire. Stroke. All developing countries of the world, including India, are particularly vulnerable to the appeal of Marxism. The Janasangh has no future, they would affirm, and see what has happened to Marxist parties the world over. Stop. Wiped off the surface of the globe with remnants left behind only in Cuba, Kerala, and Calcutta. Stop. And in India, while in an election which we ourselves concede is a surprising setback for us, we get 116 seats. They score just 16 stroke. Our prejudiced critics will deliberately exaggerate the BJP's weaknesses stroke. But we should know our strengths stroke. With 116 MPs in the Lok Sabha, 47 MPs in the Rajya Sabha, and 8 states in which our party is in government, the BJP is by no means an inconsiderable force in Indian politics. Stop. If anything, by decimating the third and fourth fronts, the recent elections have established the BJP as the only alternative to the Congress. Stop. I am pointing this out just to underscore an important aspect of the people's verdict in May 2009. Stop. Theirs is a vote for stability insofar as the Congress party's strength has been considerably enhanced so that it does not any longer need the crutches of the left front stroke. But theirs is also a vote for bipolarity insofar as the voters have strongly endorsed the BJP as the sole anti Congress opposition pole at the central stroke.